Are you still thinking that the suitcase can only be pulled with hands? Here comes a new suitcase that can walk behind you by itself and free your hands. This smart suitcase is applied with UWB positioning system and will follow the wristband wearing on the user. It will follow the user like a puppy when the following mode has been activated. Here it is, the Airwheel SR5 Smart Suitcase. The Airwheel SE3 is a hybrid combined with suitcase and scooter. It can switch between suitcase and scooter by simply pressing one button. Its top speed is 10 km per hour. We can ride it to anywhere we want. The volume capacity of the Airwheel SE3 is 29.3 liters. It is reinforced with widened aluminum alloy frame at two sides to reach the maximum load of 90 kg. As an intelligent following suitcase, the Airwheel SR5 is useful in various scenarios. It can follow the user on the carpet of the hotel and attract many attentions. The motor is running with extremely low noise without disturbing others. It will follow the user in the airport among the crowds without getting lost. It's equipped with ultrasonic sensor, which will detect the object in its front to avoid hitting the obstacles or passers-by. We can also set a few suitcases as a group to carry more stuff for traveling. The Airwheel SE3 can be used for shopping or carry the food, camera, and other belongings for a picnic. It's also available to carry the books or sports equipment and ride between classrooms, libraries, and sports grounds freely, as the campus is always too big for walking. No matter for personal traveling or business traveling, an easier traveling experience is always what we need. Airwheel is a professional AI technology company founded in 2013. The Airwheel Smart Folding Suitcase SR5 and the Airwheel Smart Riding Suitcase SE3 are currently selling very well all over the world. They are especially popular among the youth who are keen to try new things, experience a new journey, and enjoy their daily life. Airwheel is insisting on the concept of free intelligent life and hope to offer people with more fresh ideas and joy with the help of our intelligent technology.